Before I showed you how to make kefir the first time from the store-bought kefir, now I'll show you how you can make kefir from your own kefir and make the second batch. So once you have one kefir ready or two, start with the second one before you start drinking. I will show you how easy it is. It's basically the same idea. You put kefir into the milk to make more kefir, wait 2 days, the same thing. You will have the same result. Let's see. This is the fresh milk and it's full fat milk, 3%. It's cold as I got it from the supermarket. The milk doesn't need to be room temperature. And this is the kefir. Shake it well. Before I start drinking this one, I will make the next ones for the next batch. Make some space for the kefir. You can drink this milk. Okay. Now we're ready for the serious business. This is the kefir I made and it's not from the supermarket anymore. I think it looks perfect. If it makes this thing on the walls of the glass, it's really good. So perfect. This is delicious. Okay, let's do it. Here is the fresh milk. I just put some. That's all. Try not to spill it. And keep the lid, the second bottle. It's that easy. A bit loose. Don't forget to put the cap back on. Also a bit loose. Put this back in the fridge. You will let them sit for 2 days. 48 hours. Lids are loose. In 48 hours there will be more kefir. This is the about 35 hours. It's ready. 1 day and a half. This is about 1 day and a half and it's ready. Wow. Much stronger actually. My kefir is much stronger than the store, from the supermarket. Okay, let's try it. Okay, this is ready 1 day and a half. So when you reuse your own kefir, it's faster. Okay, so it's even better to use your own kefir. If you want it extra soury, if you want it a bit more sour, I will leave it until tomorrow. And then put it in the fridge and enjoy it. And this is how you make more kefir from your own kefir. 2 days and you have more. It's really creamy. Thanks for watching and subscribe to watch more. And let me know which way you drink kefir. You drink it, you eat it in the cereal in the morning, or you make smoothies, and how you use it, which smoothies you make. Thanks for watching.